Random facts about space.
Number 1 in space. You don't need welding materials to get two metals to fuse. They will do it on their own if you place them close enough together. Number 2, there is a planet likely made of diamonds. An exoplanet 55 Cancri, located 40 light-years away from us, might be covered in diamonds. Sounds nice, but you wouldn't want to visit it anyway. Unless you like to sunbathe at 2400 Celsius 4400 F and breathe hydrocyanic acid. As scientists assumed, 55 Cancri is bound to a star with a high carbon-to-oxygen ratio, which led to the formation of a carbon-rich planet, and diamond is a solid form of carbon. Number 3, Saturn has a hexagonal-shaped storm. The hexagon's sides are about 14,500 kilometers 9,000 miles long. 2,000 kilometers 1,200 miles longer than the Earth's diameter. It also changes color over Saturnian seasons. It is golden in summer and blue in winter. Number 4, there is a huge cloud of floating water in space. It is a cloud of water vapor that covers hundreds of light-years and contains 140 trillion times more water than the world's oceans. Number 5, Mercury has a tail. Mercury has a comet-like tail produced by the solar wind that pushes off sodium atoms from the planet's surface. It's not easy to see. You'll have to take a long exposure photo using a telescope and a special filter. Number 6, Eugene Shoemaker, a co-discoverer of the famous Shoemaker-Levy 9 comet, was the founder of astrogeology and was said to be the first geologist to walk on the moon. Unfortunately, health issues prevented him from flying to the moon during his lifetime. Instead, he trained Neil Armstrong and other astronauts for the Apollo missions. In 1997, searching for undiscovered impact craters, he went to Australia, where he died in a car accident. In honor of his contributions to planetary science, his ashes were carried to the moon aboard NASA's Lunar Prospector orbiter. For now, he remains the only human buried on the moon. Number 7, Neptune has only completed one orbit around the Sun. Since its discovery, Neptune is the outermost major planet that was discovered in 1846. It was the first planet to be found. With the use of mathematics, astronomers noticed that Uranus deviated from the predicted orbit, which allowed them to assume the existence of another planet and then find it. Number 8, a wedding ring was lost and then found in space. On the second day of the Apollo 16 lunar mission, Command Module pilot Ken Mattingly realized he had lost his wedding ring. Noticed the ring and tried to grab it but failed. Fortunately, it bounced off Mattingly's helmet, and Duke caught it. Just imagine, a small ring was nearly lost in the endless cosmic depths.